For this next tutorial, we're going to be looking at the News app. So let's go ahead and navigate back to that. I'm going to hit back to live site down here so I can navigate the website freely. I'm going to go to Home and then the News app down here. So this has the latest news listed first. I'm going to edit the site, and instead of editing on the live page like this, I'm going to click on Collections and then News. From here, we can add a new news if you like. And you're going to notice that if I say this is a sample news, I can add some content here. You'll notice that when you hit return, you get that plus symbol again. You can add an image. Let's add that grass picture back in from our previous example. And then when we scroll to the bottom, we need to figure out who this or where this news actually applies to. Is this HSA site, like the whole organization, or is this, say, for example, basketball? Once we do that, we can actually create this app, this news item, and you're going to notice that it's going to a staged for publish status right now. Now, if I were to hit publish, that sample news item is going to be added to the home page and is also going to be added to that particular sport that we added it to. Now, I don't want to publish this just in the rare case that someone might actually see it. So instead of publishing it, even though now we've learned how to publish it, I'm going to scroll to the bottom and then delete this. I don't actually want to publish that and make it public for everyone to see. If you have one and you want to go and say, hey, the tryouts news app is out of date, I need to either update it or remove it, this is the way that you would do it here. Either delete or archive it. And either one of those will bring it off of the page for us to see. And that's how you edit those. You're going to start seeing something consistent happen here. Whenever you log into the editor, the last app, for example, the Coaches app that we were just on a few minutes ago, is going to be left on here for us to work on. And now that we've touched the News app, that's also for our convenience listed as its own tab. Once we're done, or if we want to clear up our workspace, we can just close those tabs out and then return to the Collections app and then see if we need to edit any of those. Let's go back to the live site. If we had actually published that news item, it would pop up here. And let's go ahead and look at the sports. And then I think it was baseball that we added to. And then it would also pop up, for example, in this particular page. So wherever you edit it, whenever you edit an item, it'll actually publish it on both instances, both the home news app and also this news page for the particular sport itself.